Handy Windows 10 and 11 tips, admin shortcuts and breadcrumbs navigation. Windows offers several hidden features that can enhance your productivity. Here's how to take advantage of 2 lesser-known features: launching tools in admin mode using a shortcut and dragging files to File Explorer's breadcrumbs bar in Windows 11. 1. Launching tools in admin mode, Windows 10 and 11. Some programs, like Command Prompt and PowerShell, require admin privileges to unlock their full potential. Running tools in admin mode is quick and easy, with a simple keyboard shortcut. Steps to launch in admin mode. Locate the program icon in the Start menu or taskbar. Hold down Ctrl+Shift while clicking the icon. The tool will open in admin mode, as confirmed by the administrator label in the title bar. Pro tip: use this shortcut for third-party tools that require admin privileges, like Nearsoft Utilities, for enhanced functionality. 2. Drag files to File Explorer's breadcrumbs bar, Windows 11. The 24H2 update for Windows 11 has reintroduced a useful feature: the ability to move files by dragging them onto the File Explorer breadcrumbs bar. This feature simplifies file organization. How to use breadcrumbs for file movement. Open File Explorer and locate the file you want to move. Drag the file to the address bar at the top, the breadcrumbs bar. Drop it on the desired folder when you see the Move to prompt appear. In the example shown, a file is moved to the Pictures folder. You can also place files in Documents, Downloads, or any other folder visible in the breadcrumbs. What are breadcrumbs? Named after Hansel and Gretel's trail, breadcrumbs show the path to your current folder. They make navigation easier by displaying the hierarchy of folders inside one another. Why these features matter. Admin mode shortcut saves time when accessing tools that require elevated privileges. Breadcrumbs navigation simplifies file organization and eliminates the need to manually navigate through folders. Whether you're managing system tools or organizing files, these features will boost your efficiency in Windows.